Hi, good to see you all again an interesting video. Today we are going to see the materials which is used in electrical. First we are seeing conduits, couplers, T, elbow. Everyone should know about all the material, especially working in the construction industry. This is saddle. So this will helpful for civil engineers, electrical engineers and MEP engineers so that by knowing all the materials you can able to handle the material inward stock etc. There are different types of trays which we are seeing is perforated cable tray. You can see a ladder type cable tray. Similarly, these are the raceways. In that raceways we will have with box, and with box is nothing but the cover, and wire mesh type cable tray. This is the cable trough which we are using for dressing of the multiple cables, and all the cable trays we will have option of powder coated as well. These are the supports we are going to see. What are the different types of supports we are using in the industry? So we are using threaded rod for single layer and threaded rod for multiple layer, and this is the cantilever type of support which we are using, and this is the slotted angle support. This is the U type support, hook support. This hook support will help you to take bunch of cables continuously, and this is the S hook support, and we are having a angle type support as well. So the more we know about the material, it's easy to handle the project easily. So already we have seen about what are the tools required for electrical system. In this video, by seeing the types of material used, it will helpful for you to handle the projects easily. So here you can see threaded rod connector, screws, anchor fastener. That gutta is nothing but the wooden piece. Here you can see the fishers. With the help of fishers, they will screw the screws in the wall. Nails is shown. This hook with anchor fastener which is used for fan everything. Now we are seeing the wires. As you know, there are different colors of wires available in the market. Here you can see the number of types of cables: single core, double core, triple core, multi core. This is the connector which we are using to connect the cable. This is the ferrule for identification of the cable and circuits. This is a lux. By using this, we will connect the cable into the DBMCBs. This is the gland. This is the joint lux, and moreover insulation tapes. In continuation, we are going to see the distribution board. So from this distribution board only all the circuits will be get distributed, divided. Here you are seeing the panel. So this is the back box on which the switch sockets will be mounted. This is the earth link. All the earth wires will be connected into this earth link, and it is the earth pit where the earth pit will be installed in the ground level. So the GI strips will be used to connect from earth strip to earth pit, and copper strips will be also used. Mainly copper strips will be used for neutral earthing. There are danger boards used for warning, and this is the lightning arrestor, and we will use the caution and danger tape while the construction activity is happening to ensure that non-authorized people avoid non-authorized people entry, and CPR chart and the extinguishers. This is the cable tie mount where the cable wires will be dressed and it can be tied in this. Here you are seeing the switch socket. This is the universal switch socket and switches. This is the regulator. This industrial sockets, lights, calling bell. Here for a sample of one material is shown, but in that there are so many varieties. So it depends upon the project, you need to select it. So this should be your tracker. Light means there are variety of lights. Switch socket means there are different types of switch socket. Those things you need to find it out. This is the basic understanding everybody should know. Here you are seeing transformer, UPS, Hume pipe, bus duct, batteries. So this will helpful for the freshers to get more idea about what are the materials used in the construction in electrical. So accordingly they can prepare themselves to get the interview pass. If you like this video, please press the like button. You can subscribe if you didn't subscribe. Please share to your friends and your known friends who is searching for the jobs, especially the freshers who passed out from engineering or diploma. This will helpful for them a lot. Thank you.